Sorry about that. Having some internet issues, I guess because I'm downtown Wilmington. As I stated in my earlier video, I'm here across the street from the Delaware courthouse, okay? Justice Center, as they call it, the Leonard Williams Justice Center. Before the internet cut me off, I was explaining the importance and the relevance. When you have a case in the superior courts, the clock is tolling, and it is very important to get your motions in on time. You can lose your whole case just by not being on time in your litigation process. And I wanted to share with you the basic foundation of court, any type of court, is always motions. You're saying something to the other party in a motion. You're requesting something of the judge to do something for you. And in return, the other organization or whoever the suit is with, they then respond with whatever they want to say based on your motion. You then respond back to their motion, and then they respond back to your motion. And before you know it, you've got tons of paperwork and motions. It's a conversation between you and the other party, but it's all on paper. So you're saying something in paper, they're saying something back to you in paper, then you say something back to them. It's quite a process, and it's very time consuming. I wasn't even able to make my dentist appointment for my teeth cleaning for 2022. I like to have my teeth cleaned at the beginning of the new year. Just a little something that I like to personally do, and I have not been haven't had the time because I am staying behind my computer sending motions, typing up motions, looking up the law, and everything has to be done according to the Superior Court rules. You can't just fly off with any kind of law. It has to be consistent with the Delaware Superior Court, or whether it's Georgia or California or New York, whatever it is, it has to be based on those Superior Court rules. Or, of course, if you're going to a district court, then it would be off of the Supreme Court rules. But for me, I'm dealing with the Delaware Superior Court. Whew, time consuming on top of everything else that's on my plate of things that I have to do in the daily course of action. So I've really kind of been off the grid lately because I am dealing with this, and I play to win. You know, you don't step into a fight anticipating that you're going to lose. But I promise you, it is a battle. It is a battle between David and Goliath, and I am the David in this particular scenario. But I feel very confident that just like David took his stone and he brought down Goliath, I believe and trust in myself and my knowledge and God that I will also be able to bring down this Goliath in this lawsuit. So I apologize that I just haven't been at events. I haven't been following up on a lot of lawful information regarding the prisons and reform. I do apologize for that, but this lawsuit has really been dominating my time. So moving forward, though, I am doing the best that I can do to get my guest list in order for January 2022. I'm excited for the new year. I pray that we all are able to bring it in healthy and secure and in prosperity. So I'm not real big on Christmas, that sort of thing, only because my son is not with me to celebrate Christmas. My mother is no longer with me. My family is dispersed all over this nation. And so I don't do a lot of Christmas celebrating, but I do love the lights. So I will celebrate the lights. I love the lights. In the interim, I've just left the courthouse putting in a motion for something. I've got to get back home and study the Delaware Superior Court rules and make sure that I am on point if I'm going to have a stone like David to beat this Goliath. So you'll see more of me in January 2022 and moving forward. But right now, pray for me, family, because it's a battle with the Delaware Superior Court, or really the opposition in my suit. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. I'll talk with you soon. God bless you, and I'll see you soon, all right? Peace and grace, everyone.